Hey y'all, my name's Dora, and today it's all about bath salts. I'm going to show you how to color them, make them sparkly, and last, I'm going to show you the secret to scenting them. Quick tip. Don't add too much neon mica. It's so easy to overdo it here because the neon mica is so concentrated. Okay, so grab a sparkly mica or a metallic mica, or you can add both like I'm doing here. A tiny bit is usually all it takes. Quick tip, the metallic mica coats the salts much better than the sparkly or glittery mica. You can stop here if you like the color, or if you want darker salts, add black, 1 drop at a time until it's dark enough. This step is optional, but I wanted the salts to have a bit of sparkle to them, and then I felt like I wanted them darker, so I added a black mica. So here's the secret to scenting salts, Nature Bath. This powder absorbs the fragrance oil so that you can make salts much more scented, and it keeps the salts from becoming damp and clumpy. Hey guys, if y'all were curious about what products were used in this video, they're going to be linked in the description below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.